Hey everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a wonderful day so far. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Toyota Tundra SR5 in a black exterior. This vehicle has a clean CARFAX. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits during this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing that you'll notice is those gorgeous LED headlights. And then as we move here to the right, you'll notice that black grille insert along with that beautiful chrome trim there. And then down along the bottom, you will have running LED fog lights as well with that beautiful chrome cover there. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice there's like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now, I do just want to point out too that here on your mirrors, you will have a heated option as well, so don't worry about those getting frosted up. However, let's go ahead and open it up and show you guys this beautiful two-tone black on gray premium cloth interior. Not to mention this will come with a black dash with that same chrome trim there as well. While we're in here, let's go ahead and grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. Now on this specific Tundra, on the left and right front, you'll have 8 and 32 seconds with the rear being 9 and 32 seconds. I apologize. Brakes in the front will be 10 and 32 seconds with the rear brakes being 15 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, now that beautiful two-tone gray on black premium cloth interior will stay the same. Behind the driver and passenger seat, you will have 2 air vents as well as the controls to those. Not to mention a 12-volt plug-in there as well. Then between your back seats, you will have a pull-down middle console with 2 cup holders. At the back of the vehicle now, something to point out is you will have a hitch and receiver for all of your towing needs. Not to mention you will have that extra spare tire there as well. This will come equipped with a backup camera, so don't worry about all that. Go ahead and dropping this, you will have that tailgate assist as well. Even though there is no bed liner, you will have a topper here, so don't worry about that. And then you will have your hooks back here as well for strapping down things. Making our way to the interior side of the vehicle, this vehicle will come equipped with power locks, power windows, and power seat adjustments. Now that we're inside, let's go ahead and start this baby up for you guys. So you'll get a nice little start up here on both your center display and your driver display here. Not to mention this vehicle will come with just over 58,000 miles on it. To the left side of your steering wheel, you'll have the brightness to your driver display as well as your power mirror options. Right below that, you'll have another light option as well as the option to put down your entire rear window. On the left knob behind your steering wheel, you'll have your headlight options for their high beams, low beams, and as well as your turn signals. The right side will be your windshield wiper adjustments. The left side of your steering wheel will be your touch-to-talk options as well as your driver display. And on the right side, you'll have your center display options as well as your lane assist. Coming over here to the center display, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, navigation, and as I mentioned before, a backup camera. Now on both sides of that, you'll have all the options for that. Right below your touchscreen display, you'll have the climate control to touch your fingertips. Over here, you'll have your 2-wheel drive, 4 high and 4 low option there. Coming down below, you'll have a small storage compartment there, as well as some area to put some papers or anything else you could think of. Then you'll have some different options here. You'll have a USB port there, 2 of them. And then this will be your auxiliary line in, even though it's a USB. Not to mention you'll have a traction control there, and then you'll have your heated front seat options there, a 12-volt plug-in. Coming back here, you'll have your shifter, as well as 2 cup holders and another small storage compartment. Lifting this up, this will be your large center console equipped with another 12-volt plug-in. Finally, to end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you will have lighting options for your driver and passenger. You'll have a sunglass holder, and you'll have your SOS option there as well. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 5.7 liter V8 engine. You'll also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will have a couple of your typical stone chips, and like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep a garage kept its entire life. However, making our way down the driver's side, there are no immediate scratches, marks, dents, anything you can think of. Coming back here to the rear, you will have a couple of your typical bed scratches on here. Very minor, very minor. Dropping this down, you will have a couple more there. And then your bed here is pretty roughed up. However, you drop a bed liner in it and all those scratches will magically disappear. Making our way around here to the driver's side. Once again, no immediate scratches, marks, or dings. This is an extremely clean 2020. That's all I have for you guys today on this gorgeous Toyota Tundra SR5. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or just go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Gray Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA.